This is just me today with just me and my babies. Today is actually cleaning day in my reflection room, but only for my plants. Just concentrating on my plants today. So let us just give you a quick tour. So what I'm doing is I'm just going through each pot, seeing if they need to get any new soil. This one needed soil, so I just added soil because that was pretty low. So it's beautiful out today, so I was able to go to the back and get my soil, and I was able to add some to this kid right here. See, today I am thankful. Love this. So this is going good. And guys, a lot of those plants my husband bought, because I'm not the best plant mommy. I'm just really learning. Never cared for plants. I love plants, but usually I'm never able to keep them alive. But he just keeps buying them. I just keep buying them. Or he might just get some from his mom's house or his grandma's house. And then I just feel like I need to take care of them. And before you know it, I have a great collection going. And then I look for like the leaves. Like this one here, I'm not going to pull that out. But at some point this might just drop. So like stuff like that. Then I have this one. This one looks pretty good. I did check that one. This one is good. So this is the peace lily. This is the peace lily. I got this from a friend. This here is some of my island roots here. This I also bought from the store, and then my friend sent me a beautiful collection, just a beautiful arrangement, and this was the plant. This was the plant that I was able to replant. So this is just beautiful, isn't it? And then of course I have my blessed, I have my prayer stone, and I have my diffuser. My diffuser is actually going as well. So I have a lavender diffuser just going on. So this room just smells really good right now. I'm not a lavender type of girl, but while cleaning today, this just smells really good. And here I have this here. This is also some type of cactus with the pink lilies. They're going to start blooming pretty soon. Like if you see this. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Once they start blooming, it looks like this. Looks like that. And if you see my little sign, bloom where you are planted. So I plan on getting over to Hobby Lobby to pick up some new ones for this year. And then I have this one here. For some reason, this should be red. I'm not sure why it's not bright red right now. So if you know, shoot me a comment and let me know why this is not red right now. But it's supposed to be red. I'm not sure if I need to be replanting. It doesn't appear like I need to, but if you know about plants, just let me know. And I have my Let It Grow sign. This little kid right here, this year he belongs to my office outside of home. He was at my window, on my window at work, but coming home I needed to bring him home, but he's part of this one. He's part of this. And then there is one on top. Let's see if you can see that I have on top. He belongs to my office as well. My office away from home. Alright, and over here you have, this is my newest. This is, my husband just bought this. Hyacinth. And he gets this. He got it for me last year too. It smells so good. So when he got it, it was just the bulbs. They're starting to bloom. So it smells awesome. It just smells so nice in here. So in my room right now is the lavender diffuser and the scent of hyacinth. So it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful smell. And I have my door open a little bit to get some air in. Of course we have our aloe back there, and then this little guy right here, I forgot what type this is, but that was a plant he got me last month. He gets me some type of plant at least once a month. And when the season changed, then he gets it for outside, so I could just kind of cut them and put them in vases because I love flowers. And I like plants better because plants, I could get the flowers from it if I need to, right? So instead of buying me a bouquet of flowers, I'm like, don't waste the money, get me a plant. And this year I got from Home Depot for our little dating area, but I needed to move it. I forgot what it's called now. orchid, I think it is. For some reason, it stopped blooming. So I just moved him to this room, hoping he could do a little bit better. And in the bottom here is the bamboo plant. This also belongs to my office as well. We need to bring him home, you know, since I'm home. And this here is one of the biggest. This is a lily. So I do have shelves to the top, like you could see. So this is hanging, and he has all the space to just keep growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. Yeah. So this part that's hanging on the picture, I need to put him up there, but I need to kind of redo my books so he could have more space to go. So yeah, so basically the big thing that I'm doing today as well is spraying. So now that the season is changing, you have the gnats that's coming in. So this little solution here, I have apple vinegar, vinegar water, and soap, dish soap. So just a little bit. It's just mostly water though. It's mostly water. And what I'm doing is just kind of misting it a little bit, just spraying them on. But for some reason the gnats, they don't go on all of the plants, they just go on some of them. So they're usually over here on the cactus, and for some reason they stay over here. So I did wipe my window and all that because there was a whole bunch of them just flying in. With my room, with the door being closed, they tend to stay in. So if you have any better solution for me with a recipe, please put it in the comments below, because last year I remember using just vinegar water and dish soap, I'm sure, and it worked. It did work. And I would water my plants at least once a week and just spray it, and it worked fine. But I tried googling the recipe today, and this one called for apple vinegar, so I just put a dot of regular vinegar, put some apple vinegar, dish soap, and water. So hopefully that helps. So if you have any suggestion, with the exception of you telling me to buy something, I would prefer make something. If there is something I could make, please suggest. Alright guys, so thank you for stopping by, and bye. Be blessed.